morning po. Good morning sa mga PCO. Thank you so much, Miss Mia. Again, ako po si George. Ang topic ko po for today is about the LLDA or the Laguna Lake Development Authority environmental regulation sa buong Laguna de Bay region. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng overview at updates. So the first slide is about this message. So now of PRRD sometime in 2016, and I quote, "The Laguna Lake shall be transformed into a vibrant economic zone." So Laguna Lake. Another is the floodwater reservoir, ecotourism and recreation, industrial cooling, and of course yung... So kapag po pinag-uusapan ng BOD loads, yun po yung nagkakapag-provide ng information, degree kung gaano nga baka polluted ang lake in terms doon kay BOD loads. So sa madaling sabi, ang Laguna Lake ay polluted sa parameter na BOD kapag po sinabi natin na malakas yung value nito when it kumbaga mataas. So based sa monitoring ng LLDA as part na nandyan po sa mga low-lying areas ng Rizal Province, Laguna, and of course meron din po somewhere in Metro Manila. We have wooden assemblies with metal works, feed mill, organic compost fertilizer, cold storage, and storage for surplus provided na ito ay tinatawag nating sabi nga walang process. So madaling sabi, all of the activities na yan kailangan nila mag-secure. So some of the efforts of LLDA scheduled ng ating pong public hearing committee, and of course submit documents that may be ito sa LLDA kasama yung letter request for DP exemption. As a general rule, adjudication of cases generally pertains to the pollution adjudication board, modify orders requiring the discontinuance of pollution, specifying the conditions and time within which such discontinuance must be accomplished. And lastly, the intendment of the law is to clothe LLDA not only with express powers granted to it, but